sa pusop.com sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa SBA Season 2. May pinapabati dito si Black Carabao. Congratulations sa ating Regional Athletic Association meet. 2026 gold medalist billiard sa elementary edition. Meron na palang ganun, ha? Si John Albert Espinola. Why is that name so familiar?
I don't know why.
At happy fiesta daw sa Veriato Northern Samar. Pinapabati kayo ni Black Carabao. Uy, congratulations dyan, ha?
Grabe, start them young, ika nga nila.
Elementary. Ba't wala nung panahon natin na may ganun?
Wala, puro Jolens lang nung panahon natin.
Cool to finish ba? Naku.
Ayan, kumapal tuloy yung tira nitong si Michael Kinay.
But, you had a
Blessing.
backup plan.
May insurance ang tinatawag natin doon sa tira na yon. Totally denying any sort of view.
Yan ba si John Albert?
Siya ba yan?
John
Wala,
Albert Espinola.
Wow.
Gold medalist. Ayan. Kick shot. Successful. Ayan na naman yung tip-in attempt.
But look at that. Swertihan. Bumara yung sa tira sa uno.
Romel Santos has been getting a few favorable rolls. Kinay connects.
Uh-oh.
And leaves the one ball.
Tama yung reaksyon niya. Ay! Dahil bumuka bigla yung mesa. And you know Romel Santos will try to close this one out.
Ubu sa ball.
Ubu sa ball.
Naku, sige nga. Try it, Mr. Zambrano.
It's looking interesting. Ganda naman.
Dispabor, hoy. Dispabor sa 4.
Dispabor. Draw shot lang yan. Kayang-kaya ni Romel Santos yan. He had a great draw shot earlier on, evading 2 balls to bring that cue ball down. Pag ganito kalibre yung 3. Konting ikot pa nga ng mesa kung gusto niya. 1, 2. Oh. Perfectly placed.
Now that he's changed his flight path, next now is the 4 to the 5. Alam mo yan, pinag-usapan natin kanina, magbago lang ng konti yan. Ang dami mo na namang recalculation na gagawin.
Where will that cue ball end for the 5? Be hit, he will try to.
Eto, okay na, bagsak lang para sa 6.
Sabi sa'yo, it's looking interesting eh.
Well, if Santos gets this, warning na.
That's right. And again, a big opportunity lies in waiting for Makati if they close this night out in their favor.
I think Santos wanted to hit the 6 ball. Pinapaalala sa kanya ni Espinola. Hindi tinamaan. Yan tuloy. And becomes a more challenging shot.
Nako.
Oof.
Too close for comfort.
Ito kahit dispabor na sa 8. Bigyan na natin to. AJ, asan ka? Iba pa rin talaga gagawa, no?
Iba pa rin talaga. Pag minessage ba ni AJ Ong doon sa comments, yun ganun pa rin ang epekto.
Yung last time nga kami ni Doc Nicky, binabasa lang namin, uy, andito si AJ Ong nanonood. Boom! Mumugation!
Instant effect ba?
Kaya nga doon na uso yung he who shall not be named eh. Santos to put the Stallions 2 away from the series. And 11 racks won now for the Taguig Stallions. The separation is real now as Romel